First, to do honor, I request Principal Sir to present this bouquet to Shri James Monroe Sports Club as a chief guest, retired IFS. And I request Principal Sir to do felicitation to D. Latong, LSEO, DSEL Joy, and BMC Lamin. I also request Laskin. I also request Sir to do honor to our Sir Shri S.K. Lato, Assistant Governor, Rotary International RID. We would like to present before you a welcome song to be presented by our Vidyalaya choir group. Let us enjoy welcome song.
And how to face defeat, because in games we also face defeat. So this game or this program also gives us how to face defeat with courage. These lessons will stay.
Global Football for Schools movement, thousands of students in our region will now have the chance to kick a ball, play with joy, and learn through sport. FIFA program has already reached millions of children worldwide and aims to integrate football into schools as a tool for holistic development, that is, for promoting physical fitness, cooperation, and positive character building among young people. Today, as we distribute footballs to students here, we are not just handing our sport equipments, but we are handing our opportunities. To our dear students, I want to say, make the most of this chance. Play with passion, train with consistency, and carry forward the spirit.
Captain of JAINTIA MUKHLA, today I am going to share my experience of playing football. So, when I stand on the football field, everything feels far away. It does not matter if the ground is grassy, dusty, or muddy. As soon as I start running, I feel free. There is a special kind of energy that comes from chasing the ball and hearing the wind in my ears. The best feeling in the world is not just scoring a goal. It is the sweat on my face, the high five after a goal play, and the way my heart beats fast when the game is close. Football makes me feel alive. It is more than just a sport. It is where I make my best friend and my best memories. So grab a ball, find a friend, and just start playing. You will see exactly what I mean. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Master Dantami, for sharing your experiences in football. That was a beautiful experiencing.
And we are together. And today I have come here with him. So I request him to come and to do the things here today as a chief guest. So also I am very happy with my warm greetings. I understand many of you from that side are coming from different schools to receive this important, not only for football, but to receive some encouragement for the football, to encourage and to motivate your students in your schools, respective schools, to come forward. Because this is that
Primary School. Name of the receiver, Shri Tanishan W. Rimbai. Vizier Government Upper Primary School. Next to get ready, Sunrise Upper Primary School. Kalikam Wood, Sunrise Upper Primary. Receiver, Ling LC Upper Primary School, Srimati Gildadha. Number of football 3 each. Shri Chaulit Saria. 3 numbers of football. Next to get ready, Government Public School Jawai. Latlabo, before Government Public School, I request Latlabo Upper Primary School SSA to receive 5 numbers of football. Receiver Shri Jeremy Bade. Secondary School Jawai is receiving 10 numbers of football. Thank you, Government Girls Higher Secondary School Jawai. Primary School to get ready to receive 3 numbers of football. Now, Government Senior Basic School Minso is receiving 5 numbers of football. This will be a highly memorable event up to this program. We are really thankful to the Ministry of Education as a mission initiated in partnership with the All India Football Federation and Sports Authority of India. We also congratulate